Ultimate Firelink here at Circa. There are the progressives. We just got the golden spin. Let's catch some more fireballs, shall we? Come on. Saw that miner go by. That's $472. Drop it. There we go. Two more to reveal the next level. There we go. Keep going. Two more for the next level. One more. Saw the major. That's $3,316. Come on. Not yet. Let's do it. One spin remaining. Gotta save it. Drop it. We got a nice $100 fireball there, so we'll take that. Remember, these are dimes. A nice $158 win. Big win. Let's do a couple light backup spins. And another. We'll be back with another winning bonus.
Hey everybody, Slot Cats here. We are here at Resorts World, Ultimate Firelink, Olvera Street. This $31,000 mega is still here. It's on the penny denom. We've got $100 in the machine, so wish me luck. Let's do some 150 bets. We'll do some 250s. We'll play around. See what we can get here. Hopefully a bonus. Come on, fireballs. Oh, there's a mini for $28. Oh, alright. A lot of bells there. $7.20. Come on, Firelink. Oh, 5 Italian tacos. Another $7.20. Fireballs. Come on, fireballs. One more. Oh, we got it. There we go. Nice. All right. Let's see if we can get to the top. Let's do it. All right. I'm going to help us out a little bit here. Get some words. Come on. It's about time we got that mega. Come on, fireballs. Come on, downtown. There we go. There's one. There's two. Come on, fireballs. Come on, downtown. One more to open the next row. Come on, fireballs. Get him. Oh, there we go. All right. You got more real estate here. 4 more for the next row. There's one. Come on, fireballs. Oh, there's 75. Just hit the top. Holy cow. $75 ball. Just hit the very top. We got to get to the tip top. Come on, fireballs. Do it, do it. I saw the miner in there. Woo. We got to save it. Come on, fireball. Downtown. Downtown. Come on, on the end. Do it, do it. No. It's all right. Adding it up. So we started with $100. This puts us in profit territory. We can keep chasing this mega. $20 bonus. There we go. And we get a coin show. Nice. Alright, let me help it out. There we go. We're up to 117. We'll be back with another bonus. Meow for now, everybody. Alright, it has been a minute since I have played Firelink Explosion. We got a Firelink feature. The monkeys helped me out. He added 2. Let's get some more. There we go. Alright. We unlocked the next reel. Thank you, monkeys. Come on. We're on nickels. Come on. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Ooh, alright. We're getting up there. We have 2 more rows to the top. Let's get some words to drop. Come on. Mini, minor, major, mega. Let's do it. Alright, we need it. We need it. Come on, monkey. We gotta save it. Help me out, monkey. Come on, drop it, drop it, drop it. Oh, we got one. Oh, we're 2 away from the top. Come on, fireballs. Let's do it. Ooh, all right, monkey, you gotta help me out here. We gotta save it. One more, one more. No, almost to the top. Nice. So as I'm doing these Firelink Friday videos, I'm trying to play different Firelinks. There we go. So we're on nickels, so we're up to $32, $35. Come on, 40, 45, there we go. $49. Nice. Thank you, monkey. He helped me out there with that bonus. Alright, we're up to $80. I think I came over here with a $50 ticket. We'll do some bag of spins. And one more. Alright, one more. Oh, we needed the treasure box in the middle. Alright, one more. Alright, let's cash out. 81.74. This is Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Meow for now. Hey everybody, Slot Cats here. Ultimate Firelink Friday. We're here at Resorts World. This mega is so huge. We'll still keep playing it, trying to chase it a little bit. Oh, alright. I just finished my live stream with the cool cats. We played this for a little bit, had a really great session on it actually. I may have to show that video. First spin max bet bonus, I'll spoil it for everybody. But we'll see what happens. Oh, come on, Firelink. Oh my goodness, it's being shy. 2 more, 1 more. Yes, we got a bonus. 5 of them this time. Nice. I was just saying it's being so shy. So we get 5 to start. Here's our progressive up here. You know we want that mega. Mega. Here we go. Let's fill it in. Oh, come on, Firelink. Let's get some fireballs. There we go. We got 1. Whew. All right, 3 more spins. Come on, fill them in. Fill them in. Down here. Yes, there's 1 more. Come on the end. All right, we need 1 more for the next. Let's do it. Woo, fill them in. We got a lot of fireballs up there. Come on. Let's do it. Fill them in. Oh, come on, fireball. Anywhere down here. Oh, we got to save it. We got to save it. Come on, fireball. Save it. Save it. Yes. All right, we open up the next one. There were 3 there. All right, let's keep going. Come on, fireballs. Be good to us. We need some words. Come on. We need some words on here. Oh, there we go. We opened that $15 and $3 fireball. But, oh, we one at the top now. Come on. Fill them in. Come on, downtown. Lots of fireballs. Drop them, drop them. Come on. All right, we just dropped the mini. We got to save it to get to that mini. Come on. 1546 for that. Come on, anywhere down here. Anywhere. Do it. Oh, darn it. We left a $30 ball and a mini up there. That's all right. The bonus came pretty fast. Yay. There we go. $67.50 on a $1.50 bet. Really good. Really good. That's like 45x right there. Nice. And our coin show, Ultimate Firelink, is going to be good to us today. I help it out. There we go. That's 146.66. There we go. Let's see if we can get one. Another one. This is the same machine. I had 3 in a row, so it can happen. 2 more. Okay. 2 more. All right, let's try some 250 spins. See how we do. Come on, Firelink. So we have been chasing this mega for months. It has been huge for months. And like Katie said earlier, I think we're the only ones that are playing it. Oh, a $250 fireball. There was just one.
No.
So heartbreaking. 100x fireball. Go bring your friends fireball. Oh my goodness. One more for the bonus. Do it. Oh. Man, oh man. That was huge. Those don't come by very often. I wish we would have caught it. Alright, we got a few spins left. We need another fireball bonus. Come on. We'll take 3 spins. Alright, 4 more spins. Oh, we got 10. That paid $15.50. That's some fuel in the tank right there. I'm gonna help it out. There we go. 120. Alright, let's do a few more. Wow, $37.50. Nice. Come on, fireballs. Well, let's do one more spin and then we gotta cash out. I think it is being shy. Alright, well, we're gonna cash out right there. That is Ultimate Firelink, Olvera Street. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're the Slot Cats. Meow for now.